Welcome to Stevens Creek Toyota, and here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale, and comes equipped with smart device integration, premium synthetic seats, HD radio, remote trunk release, front collision mitigation, LED headlights, leather steering wheel with auto tilt-away, auxiliary audio input, vehicle immobilizer, cruise control steering assist, and has less than 15,000 miles on the odometer. Here at Stevens Creek Toyota, we are a family-owned dealership dedicated to making it easy for people to purchase the vehicle that is just right for them. With over 50 years in the business, we are pleased to say that many of our clients have purchased several vehicles from us over the years. So come see why so many people choose Stevens Creek Toyota for their next vehicle purchase.